This PAT testing competency course, sometimes known as an EET Electrical Equipment Testing Competency course, teaches both PAT testing theory and practical techniques. Contrary to popular belief, you do not have to be an electrician to PAT test. This course is tailored for those with little to no electrical experience. Therefore, it is ideal for companies looking to bring PAT testing in-house. It combines classroom teaching with practical learning, covering electrical and PAT testing theory, PAT testing obligations and regulations as outlined in the IET Code of Practice, and PAT testing techniques. Assessment is a 20-question open book exam. This is why we recommend purchasing a copy of the latest edition of the IET Code of Practice. Once you have passed the assessment, you'll be awarded a certificate of competency in PAT testing, accredited by PAS Limited. PAS has decades of experience in the PAT testing sector. Courses are delivered by expert tutors, and throughout the course, you'll benefit from their wealth of PAT testing knowledge, ensuring you'll be confident completing the assessment and PAT testing competently. We run our PAT testing competency course at multiple UK locations throughout the year. To find a class that's convenient for you, check out the dates and locations listed on this page. Alternatively, please call or email for details.